Today I'm going to demonstrate the difference between a warm and cool skin tone, plus I'm going to teach you a naughty little trick that you'll be able to keep up your sleeve for one day when you might need it. So if you'd like to know more, please keep watching. Hi, I'm Shelley. This is Fabulous 50s, a lifestyle channel that explores fashion, beauty and lifestyle for women over 50. And if you're a woman over 50, click subscribe and click the bell and you'll be alerted every time there's a new video, and each video will relate to women over 50. Okay, let's get into it. Working out if you've got warm or cool skin tone is very important, because if you've got a warm undertone to your skin and you wear warm coloured clothes, your face looks luminous. If you've got a cool undertone to your skin and wear cool colour clothing, again, your face will look luminous. Okay, I have done a video on how to work out your colours. I'll leave a link for you to check that video out, but just quickly, step one is to work out if your veins are green or blue. And green veins will indicate you have a warm skin undertone, and blue veins, blue to purple, will mean you've got a cool undertone. And if you're greeny blue, that means you're neutral. And I'm today talking about warm and cool, but if you fall into the neutral category, that means that you can wear a variety of all of the colours and they'll make you look good. Just keep in mind for you, if you're neutral, to keep the contrast right and you'll be perfect. The second thing that you can do is test on your skin a gold and a silver colour. Use some fabric, gold or silver, or some jewellery that you may have at home, and compare it under your chin. So you hold the fabric up underneath your face and you compare a gold colour to a silver colour, and you see which makes your face look better. For me, I have yellow undertones, so the yellow undertone in the fabric is making my face look luminous. And if you've got pinky blue undertones, the silver will look amazing. I can be a little bit neutral, so I could wear both, but this looks much better on me. So do this test and see what you come up with. Another way to do this is to use something white, a true white. So I use this when I'm with clients, but you get a white bit of fabric or paper and you put it up towards your neck, and you look at the difference between the skin colour and the white. So if you've got warm skin undertones, your skin will look slightly yellow, which is what mine does. And if you've got very cool skin, your skin will look pink or the blue will come out. And you'll be able to easily tell when you try this. So there you go, some quick tips to work out how to do your skin undertone. I'll just show you a couple of examples on me to help you get a good feeling for this. My skin, my hair, my eyes and my eyebrows all kind of blend in a little bit. I'm very medium contrast. Someone who has very dark hair and light skin is high contrast, and somebody who is, say, blonde with blonde eyebrows, very light eyes and fair skin, they'd be low contrast. So for me, I'm medium contrast. And that's why I want to teach you this really naughty trick, because if you can work out how to do the right thing, you'll also know how to do the wrong thing. And if you're feeling like you don't want to go to work one day and you're not sick and you just want to go and have some fun, I'm sorry to all the bosses out there, I'm a boss too, but if you're the boss, you'll be able to tell if someone's doing this. But what you do, the day before you want to have the day off, you wear some clothes to work that are the wrong colour for you. So if you have a warm undertone like me, I would wear a cool colour and I would wear the wrong contrast. So I'm a medium contrast and I'd wear a high contrast colour. For something like one of these colours, they're cool and they're very high contrast. And if you can see these colors on me, they don't make me look good. So this is just a demonstration what the difference is between a contrast. This is very high contrast. There's lots of pigment in these colors, and against my warm undertone skin, they don't make me look good. These colors, I look healthy and my skin looks radiant. The reason is because these colors match the undertone in my skin. I'll give you an example. This makes me look sick. If you wear a little less makeup as well, 10 times better. And on this, if I had an ash color to my hair, you can, if I was having this, check it out. The difference between the warm color that's in my hair to an ash color against my skin. These are little tricks they use in the movies to make us look old. And if you had like very cool skin and put like a yellow into the blonde in your hair, it would make you look the same as this makes me look. So ash looks terrible on me, and warm gold highlights don't look great on cool skin. So this is the trick. If you want someone to think that you're not feeling well, you wear the wrong color. Just say that you've got a pink undertone, so you've got cool colored skin, and you have dark hair. Okay, so you've got a high contrast. These colors would look great on you. So you've got cool skin, dark hair, high contrast. If you wanted to go to work and appear to be sick, you would wear these colors. So they'll pastel-y colors, warm and earthy. Or you'd wear this kind of color, or a dusty caramel color. It will draw the color right out of your face. So colors with a lot of yellow in it will do the trick for you, and you'll be able to go to work and the boss will actually tell you to go home because you look sick. If you have very pale skin and fair eyebrows, light eyes and blonde hair, and you're very cool, so you wear a deep, heavy, earthy color like a terracotta or something like that, something very high contrast and very warm, you will also be sent home from work and maybe get a week off. I hope this little demonstration really helped you to work out the difference between warm and cool, and I hope that you've got something up your sleeve to use next time you feel like just having a beautiful day to yourself and not needing to make an excuse to anybody. Give it a try, let me know how you can go, and just quickly, if you'll notice in the movies, this is what they do. They will outfit one of the characters in the wrong color for their undertone of skin, and that's how they make their characters look older or very plain, or make them look sick. So next time you're watching a movie, see if you can pick it. Okay, please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and share it if you have a friend who would love to know this special little trick that they can use on their boss next time they feel like taking a day off. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a beautiful day.